Welcome to yoga class. We are starting here some exercises and asanas to reduce extra fat from our body. So we are starting first exercises. We'll do here 4 exercises. So you keep your hands on your waist. First exercise is this. Now jump 20 to 30 times. After 20 times, stop for few seconds, relax for few seconds, then you start jumping again. Stop for few seconds again. Now down your hands. Now you jump 20 times and you keep your arms up, lift it up. After 20 times, relax for few seconds. Relax. Now jump again. Do this exercise once more. Stop. Take deep breath in your chest 3 times. Now see, you start yogic jogging on your place where you standing, and in third exercise you touch your heel with your back of your thigh. Okay? Stop. Relax. Take deep breath 3 times. Now you start last exercise for warms up your body. So jump and clap up 20 times. 1. Count in mind. After 10 times, relax for few seconds. Now start again 10 times more. Do it little fast. After 10 times, relax. Take deep breaths into your chest. Fulfill your lungs by the vital air. This is our first session of yoga class. So now, what should we do? First we'll do sun salutation, Surya Namaskar for 4 times. Okay? So join your toes, knees and legs together, thighs together. Keep your hands close to the side and you start like me. Step number 1, Pranamasana. Step number 2, keep your both hands straight, touch your arms with your ears and little bend back. Then try to touch your toes. Keep your both legs straight in this position. This is Padhastasana. This is step number 3. Stay here for 10 seconds. Then place your hands on the floor. Keep your right leg in between your hands and take your left leg back and see your ceiling. Stay here for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, keep your right leg back also. Keep your body in straight line. Stay here for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, touch your knees to the ground. Okay? Then touch your chest to the ground, chin to the ground, and raise your hips little up. Keep your hands close with your shoulders. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, do Bhujangasana. This is step number 7. Look up. Stay in this position for 10 seconds more. After 10 seconds, now go to position number 8. Mountain pose again. This is Parvatasana. Stay in this position for 10 seconds more. Now take your right leg in between your hands and look up. Keep your left leg straight back. Then you should not leave your hands from the floor and touch your toes. Go to step number 10. After 10 seconds, bend back. Then come in prayer position. Then say Om Suryaya Namaha. Then complete your sun salutation. So you completed one time. Now we are starting second time. So start with me. This is position number 1, Pranamasana. Position number 2, arch back. Position number 3, Padhastasana. And second time, you keep your right leg back. Keep your hands front of you on the floor. This is Ardha Bhujangasana. We call this one Ashwa Sanchalan also. Then take your left leg back. Keep your body straight. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Then touch your knees, chest and chin to the floor. Raise your hips little up. Your thigh should be up. Then go to Cobra pose. Lift up your body till your belly. See your ceiling. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go to Parvatasana again. Stay in this position. 10 seconds again. Then, now bring your left leg forward in between your hands and keep your right leg back straight. Then, come to the Padhastasana. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Try to keep your both legs straight. You should not fold your legs. After 10 seconds, you move back. Then join your hands. Then say Om Mitraya Namaha. Then you finish your sun salutation second time. Now we'll do little fast. Okay. I think you understood every step. So we'll do little fast in third time. Position number 1, position number 2, position number 3, position number 4, left leg back, position number 5, left leg back, position number 6, down your body, position number 7, cobra pose, position number 8, mountain pose, position number 9, right leg forward, position number 10, standing pose, position number 11, back, position number 12, prayer pose, say Om Ravaye Namaha. Then finish your first part. Now start second part again. 1, 2, 3, 4, right leg back, 5, both legs back, 6, down your body, 7, cobra pose, 8, mountain pose, 9, half cobra pose, 10, standing pose, 11, arch back, 12, prayer pose. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Then complete your sun salutation second time. It means you finished 4 times. Okay. Now we are starting here Triyak Tadasana. So we can do Triyak Tadasana in 3 types. So how to start? First you raise your both hands straight. Keep your hands straight. Now move your body to the right side. Come to the center point. Move your body to the left side. Come to the center point. Right side. Center point. Left side. Center point. Down your hands. So you can practice this first type of Triyak Tadasana for 5 to 10 times daily. Okay. Now we are starting second type of Triyak Tadasana. Raise your both hands. Then open your right leg. Then keep your right hand down and keep your both legs straight. You should not fold your leg. Then stretch your body to your right side 3 times. Then come back slowly. Raise your left hand. Then move to your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds you can do. Raise the left hand again. Open your right leg. Then stretch. 1, 2, 3. Down your hands. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You did very well. Now see, in 3 we can do it for 3 times. So this is third type. So widen your legs, keep 3 feet distance in between your legs. Okay, then you bend your right leg, little bend. Okay, raise your left hand. Now try to touch the floor by your right hand, like me. 1, come back. 2, then 3. Very nice. Down your hand. Okay, same procedure. Please start again. Bend your left leg, raise your right hand, and try to touch your toes. 1, you can touch your toe, you can touch your fingers of foot, head foot, you can touch the floor. 3. Okay, so you can do this practice daily 3 times. Okay, now second asana we are starting here, Parivartan Konasana. So come in the same position, that same position you start. Spread your both hands. Now touch your left hand, okay, with your right leg, right toe, and see your right hand. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Come to center. Then touch your left toe by your right hand. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Okay. Now you start this exercise. You can say this is exercise and this is asana also, Parivartan Konasana. So you change, you touch your both toes for 10 times. 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you feel you are tired, down your hands for few moments, then start again. 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center, 5, center, 6, center, 7, 8, center, 9, center, 10, center. Down your both hands. Now take deep breaths in your chest again. Okay. Now we'll do Padhastasana. Now keep 1 feet distance, 1.5 feet distance in between your legs. Okay. Then raise your both hands, arch back, and touch your palms the floor. Do it for 5 times. 1, 2. When you come up, inhale. When you come down, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now see, we are starting here. Next asana. Okay. So for next asana, we call that one Chakrika Chalan. So keep your both legs straight, sit in this position and keep your backbone straight. Okay, then you interlock your fingers. Okay, yeah, then you take round, you make big circle, big zero by your hands. Keep your both hands straight. 5 times do it. 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Okay. So this is the first type of Chakrika Chalan. Now anti-clockwise. Do it for anti-clockwise. Continue. 1, then 2, and 3. Baba Ramdev ji taught 12 exercises to reduce extra fat. 4, then 5. Yeah, relax for few seconds. Second type, you can do this with Chakrika Chalan. Open your legs. Okay. Now hold it again and make a big zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now start again anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Keep your both hands back. Put your head down. Put your back. Keep your head on your shoulders. Relax for a few seconds. After relaxation, you start Paschimottanasana. Okay. So how to start? Keep your both legs straight. Okay. And you lie down. Okay. Then sit up. 1. Touch your both toes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Keep your hands back. Now you lie down on your abdomen. So we are starting here Bhujangasana. Okay. So first you place your both hands close with your shoulders, join your heels together. Now lift up your upper body for 5 times. 1, down, then you come up, inhale. Last time. relax. Now second type of Bhujangasana. See, keep your left palm down, left hand down. Place your right palm on your left palm, okay, back of your left palm. Then you keep your both hands straight, okay, and join your heels and toes together. Down. Do it for 5 times. Now go to crocodile pose. Keep your chin on your hands and you should keep your foot fingers opposite side. Relax in this position. You can see many crocodiles are resting on the bank of the river. Relax your body. Relax for a few seconds. Then we will do Shalabhasana. Okay? Join your heels and make fists, both hands, and keep your fists under your thighs, okay? Then you lift up your right leg, down your right leg, lift up your left leg, down your left leg, lift up your right leg again, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Now both legs together. Lift up both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down your both legs. So you completed 8 asanas. Okay. Now you sit up. Now you join your feet together and we are starting your Baddha Konasana. Interlock your fingers, hold your foot fingers, keep your backbone straight. Now touch your knees to the floor. Yeah, that is Titli Asana. You can call this asana Titli Asana. And that is Baddha Konasana. It is very useful to thighs muscles and to backbone also. So this is our first session of yoga class. Yeah, do it fast. Do it fast. You can do this one for 1 minute. Continue. Now, close your both legs, sit in comfort position. Touch your thumb with your index finger. Then keep your both hands on your knees. Close your eyes and chant Om 3 times. When you chant, concentrate on your sound, on your voice. And what is the meaning of Om? Protector of all. So Om Parmeshwar, Om Almighty is protecting our body, our mind, and He is giving us energy every time. So we are very thankful of Parmeshwar. So take deep breath in your chest. Make your mouth shape like O. Second time. Oh.